This website is a dawn. So you give it your prompt. I'm using the text to thumbnail, and then you give it your prompt. You click generate, and then the process begins to generate. The good thing about this is it has templates to choose from. We have the Mr. Beast template. We have which one again? Okay, so a lot of the Kaizen. I like the one. Yeah. So there are a lot of templates to choose from. So when you run out of ideas, you can just come in here and pick. These are trending thumbnails. So you can just come through. You can scan through, look for a thumbnail that really catches you or moves with your audience, and then you go on with it. Like the one Kai is lying beside the lady right there. That's a nice one. So it's just easy and nice, and it's free as well. It's free as well, and in a matter of seconds, it was done with mine. I have the Haaland and then Robert Lewandowski poster here, so no need to hassle. The good thing too is it can be downloaded easily. So you just click the download button and then the download is done, unlike some other websites. So this is a good take. Go with it.